Hazrat Warad, the scribe of Mughira, has reported from Hazrat Mughira bin Shuba radiyallahu anhu that Hazrat Sa'ad bin Ubadah radiyallahu anhu said, "What if I finding a man with my wife, finish him with the blade of the sword?" When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam heard it, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You feel amazement at Sa'ad's sense of honor, whereas I have greater sense of honor than he does, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is more honorable than I am. For this reason, He Jalla Jalaluhu has forbidden the indecencies whether they are open or hidden, and Allah Jalla Jalaluhu loves not anything more than justification. That is why He Jalla Jalaluhu dispatched the glad tidings givers and warners, apostles alayhimus salam. And Allah Jalla Jalaluhu loves nothing more than His praise, and that is why He Jalla Jalaluhu promised paradise." And Hazrat Ubaidullah bin Amr has quoted from Abdul Malik, "None is more honorable than Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 7416.